Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video I'll be telling you how to see players rank in Valorant. In order to see the rank of each player, I'll be using tracker. So first we'll get into a game. Now as you can see, the Valorant tracker overlay is up and running. Here I can see the stat of my teammates as well as my own stats of each agents in this map. And in order to see the rank of each player in the game, I have to alt tab, bring up the Valorant tracker app, and here I can see the rank of all the players in the game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.